my child is here for now 2 years, and I am extremely thankful to the Little Millennium New Satellite Surat for providing such a welcoming, encouraging, and such a nurturing environment for him. So we moved here actually last year, and the first day I was extremely skeptical for him to to send him to a new place and a new school all of a sudden. But because of the love and the care that the teachers here have provided, he settled like in just a day. Now, I was extremely surprised to see him just going in happily and coming out smiling.
In the beginning, my kids were crying a lot, like because their first time schooling, they are getting out from the home for the first time. They don't wanna wake up early. They don't wanna, they are not ready to go for the school. But within like 3 to 4 days, they are ready for sure. They are like, wow, Daddy, I wanna go school. Daddy, I wanna play with my friends. And I was so happy that wow, my kids are in a good place, in a good hands.
Yeah, my twins are coming to the Little Millennium EE Surat since last 2 years, and they feel like they're in their second home because the teachers, staff, supporting staff, and management are very helpful and very supportive, and they really enjoy coming to the school regularly. They never cry, and they have learned a lot in discipline and in every manner.
यहाँ पर इतना अच्छा स्ट्रक्चर है, इतनी वेल ट्रेन टीचर और मासी भी बहुत ही अच्छी है.
Talking about the curriculum is very well structured. Second thing, I have noticed that it is age appropriate, and academic wise, I have seen that they have used a playway method, which is very important for kids development.
जैसे करिकुलम है उनका एडवांस में उनका आता है कि नेक्स्ट मंथ में वो क्या पढ़ने वाली है, तो जिस हिसाब से वो स्कूल में भी पढ़ती है तो उस हिसाब से हमारा भी प्लान रहता है कि घर में उसे होमवर्क के साथ क्या क्या एक्स्ट्रा करवा सकते हैं हम.
They have different themes. So once there is this theme introduced, so they'll go only for that. Like if there is a colors theme going on or something like that, so they'll focus on only colors and nothing else will be introduced in that particular area.
The biggest change I have seen in my son since he joined the school is that he started listening to me a lot, and he started talking to me a lot about school things. If in school, I like the curriculum is divided into many different, weeks. Like there might be a theme of seasons, then there is a theme of shapes, then there is a theme of colors. So when he comes home, he correlates to things. He'll see the umbrella and say, hey, monsoon season, rainy season. My son is fond of eating, so whenever he eats idli, he'll say round shape. So all of these things I love that he got from school.
I have seen a tremendous growth in her social, mental, and cognitive skills. The way the ma'am, they organize all sorts of activities, classroom activities, for example, if I take, as well as special events and even outdoor activities, all are very nicely, thoughtfully designed by her. Each and every time this branch brings lots of creative ideas. So that is a very must. And children, they also think creative.
So he keeps his plate in the sink after eating. He's like कि मैम बोलती है नहीं सिंक में अपना प्लेट रखो. And he has started to eat by himself. And then he greets me good morning when he wakes up. And he's like कविता मैम हमेशा good morning बोलती है. And उसने मुझे बोला मम्मी पापा को भी बोलना है. So these are few things which makes me happy when kids come and speak about such things in home.
जैसे कि पहले उसको कम्युनिकेशन स्किल वगैरह नॉर्मल जो अपने बच्चे बोलते हैं उस हिसाब से, पर नेक्स्ट अभी जो वो बोलती है तो थोड़ा कम्युनिकेशन स्किल में भी बहुत डिफरेंस है. एंड आई रियली मच अप्रिशिएट के जिस हिसाब से उसका लैंग्वेज वगैरह चेंज हुआ है वो हॉबीज़ आइडेंटिफाई कर सकती है कि उसको क्या करना है.
स्पोर्ट्स डे हो या एनुअल फंक्शन हो या कोई भी फेस्टिवल हो, टीचर्स लोग बच्चे लोगों को अच्छे से ट्रेन करते हैं. मतलब दिवाली हो, रक्षाबंधन हो, उन लोग को पहले पता नहीं चलता था जब वो स्कूल ज्वाइन नहीं किया था, लेकिन यहाँ पे आने के बाद उन लोग को पता चलता है कि कैसे सेलिब्रेशन करना है, किस चीज़ का क्या मतलब है.
He also shows the understanding of emotion with different people. If somebody is sad, if somebody is happy, क्योंकि when he is doing activities here कि what is happy, what is sad, those are the emotion they do with the activities. So घर पे भी अगर कोई sad है, कोई happy है, अगर कोई रो रहा है तो what happened, he'll ask them, he'll like take care of them. अगर किसी की तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, mama what happened, mama what happened, he'll tap like mama fever, and he'll just do this. So these are the things he has learned. He does the activities and वो he can relate to those things कि अच्छा स्कूल में ऐसे करवाया था, हमने ऐसे किया था, तो दिस इज़ द सेम सिचुएशन. सो वो रिलेट कर पाना, उस चीज़ को समझ पाना, उस चीज़ को अप्लाई कर पाना. सो he does that. So I can tell कि yes, this is the great decision I've taken to get him to LM.
They observe, they learn something from there, and they come at home and they imitate the same thing.
One thing that I would really like to say is that this school, there is a college in front of it. It gets very crowded. The school members realize this, the staff realize this, and when I pick up and drop my child, I don't even have to get out of my car, and they realize that if this kind of service can be given, they gave it. So I was very happy with their problem solving ability.
The school provides very healthy and nutrition food to the children, and the best part is they don't encourage junk food to them, and they make sure they eat on time regularly, which is very good part.
So being from a healthcare field, I have always been, very particular about the hygiene around. So when I first visited the school, I was actually awestruck with the kind of hygiene they have maintained. And it was not only with the classrooms, it was even the outdoor area, play area, the washrooms, everything was spick and clean, clear, absolutely clean. So that was one point which, was high on my checklist while selecting a school. Plus, what they have inculcated in my kid is, the hand hygiene, the sneezing hygiene, the etiquettes that the school has instilled are such that today I do not have to tell him while coming from school that, you have to wash your hands. The first thing he does when he comes is wash his hands and, clean his hands first. So I'm extremely grateful to the school for inculcating such a good habit in my child.
So best part which I like about the school is they are just a call away. If I have any issue, any problem, I just have to make a call and they will give the answer. They are always available. It's not that this is our office timings and you have to call between this timing only. Even if at 8 o'clock I feel something, they are just a call away.
Thank you so much, entire Little Millennium Daboli School, for giving the wonderful atmosphere for my kids, and I'm so happy and proud.
I want to thank Little Millennium, and it was my good decision that I have kept my daughter in the hands of the right people.
Thank you, the Little Millennium School.
And thank you, Little Millennium, for giving this amazing and strong foundation for his future, bright future. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Little Millennium.